Hi, it's Barbara McNeely, your cooking coach. And today I'm going to talk to you about knife safety. I had another video in mind, but I had a little incident with a knife that reminded me that I should talk about safety first. So I have a few tips for you on knife safety. The first one is do not ever get in a hurry with a knife. That's what happened to me. I thought, well, I'll just do this really quick. And the knife went one way, my fingers were in the way, and so I wound up with a cut. So don't get in a hurry. The second thing, which I also didn't do today, is always know and check where your fingers are in relation to where you're putting that knife. Because if you're not careful, then you're going to wind up with a cut. The third thing is to find a source and learn proper knife skills. There are techniques you can learn that will help you be less of a danger to yourself in the kitchen with your knife. So learn those skills. And then the fourth thing is practice those skills every time you pick up a knife. And the fifth thing is, and I didn't understand this at first when I learned it, but it turns out to be very true. Don't work with a dull knife. You might think a dull knife would be safer, but it's not. It can still cut. It's just not as sharp. And what happens when your knife is dull is you start just working away harder and harder and harder on that food, and it's going to slip and you're going to be in the way. So those are my 5 safety things with knives. Don't be in a hurry. Always know where those fingers are. Learn proper knife skills. Always practice those knife skills and make sure your knife is sharp. Thanks for watching. It's Barbara McNeely, your cooking coach.